Hi guys, welcome back to Ultimate Gardening. So today in this exciting sprouting video, I have a great special announcement to share with you guys. So let's go ahead and get right into this video. So guys, the special announcement I have for you guys is we're doing another giveaway. So as you guys may know, we did a recent giveaway with the Baker Creek Seed Company. It was an amazing giveaway. Once more, thank you to the Baker Creek Seed Company for making that giveaway possible. So the giveaway prize was a $48 worth seed collection. We already have chosen a winner on my Instagram. So my Instagram will show up on the screen for you guys. So go over there and check out who was the winner for the giveaway. So for this giveaway, we're doing a giveaway with the Territorial Seed Company. So the Territorial Seed Company is an amazing company that sells seeds, plants, and garden accessories. All the basics for gardening, they go ahead and provide for you guys. So make sure to go check out their website. Their website will be down below for you guys to go ahead and check out. So yeah, so the giveaway prize is the Purple Power Seed Collection, which is all nutritious vegetables, but they're the color purple. And I'm really excited. So there are 8 different types of varieties that you guys are gonna be entering on. So the process or the things you have to do in order to enter this giveaway is, first you have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then you'll go on to number 2, which is like the video. So like this video, and it's gonna be really exciting. So this third step is to comment down below your favorite flower. So it could be from marigolds to lilies to bulbs to anything you guys could like love in gardening, or any type of flower. Comment down below and you'll be automatically entered for this giveaway. So the giveaway will be running until Sunday of this week. So the giveaway ends on Saturday, but the Sunday the giveaway winner will be chosen via Instagram. We did live with the Baker Creek Seed Company. We did the same thing with the giveaway. We went live and we chose the winner from there. The same thing is gonna happen with this giveaway with the Territorial Seed Company. So make sure to stay tuned. So that's pretty it for this exciting special announcement. Once more, thank you so much to the Territorial Seed Company for making this video possible. You guys are amazing, and I'm so happy to be working with you guys and influencing your company. So let's go ahead and wrap this video up for you guys. So guys, that's it for this giveaway video. Once more, a huge shout out to the Territorial Seed Company for making this whole video possible and also providing the giveaway prize. Thank you guys so much. Once more, their links will be down below, so make sure I encourage you guys to check out their website and Instagram. They provide a lot of amazing content for you guys and amazing products that you guys can go ahead and purchase. So once more, the giveaway ends on Sunday this week. The instructions and way in order to enter will be down below in the description, along with my assistant's links. She has been a huge support. Thank you so much. So, and also her channel will be popping up right here, and her recent video will be up there as well. And also, just remember, Territorial Seed Company has a YouTube channel as well. So check them out right here. Please make sure to go subscribe to them and show them some support. And also, if you want to subscribe to me right here as well. And my recent video will be up there as well. So thank you guys so much for watching this giveaway video. I would be gladly to be hosting this giveaway with you guys. It's an amazing opportunity to be doing this. I feel so honored. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. And if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when I post a new exciting sprouting video just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out. So thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.